Hey guys, how's it going? It's Saturday, November 2nd, 2019. I don't think I made a video in a while. Like, it was like a week ago. Excuse me, I feel like I got a burp. My last video was like a week ago, or a couple weeks ago, and I'm just making one now because I feel like feels like it's been forever my last video, but it's actually been a couple weeks. So I'm just doing it now. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a video, like a challenge called the Goal Horn Challenge, like the NHL Goal Horn Challenge, by Goal Horn Bender. And this was 9 months ago. I know it's too late to do this, but to be honest, I don't care. I just feel like doing it because I think I pretty much know every goal horn in the league because I did a video, ranking the goal horns last year. If you want to see those videos, go ahead. I might delete those. I don't know, but let's get to it. Okay, number one. That's the intro. Colorado Avalanche. I was just about to say Vegas, but I don't know. Yep, I was right. It's Colorado. New York Islanders. I was right. Tampa Bay Lightning. I was right. Minnesota Wild. Ottawa Senators. Yep, I was right. Ugh. Carolina Hurricanes. The Carolina bunch of jerks. Yep, I was right. Philadelphia Flyers. Yep. Washington Capitals. Yep. Chicago Blackhawks. This is so easy, to be honest. Yep, I was right. New York Rangers. Yep, I was right. Vancouver Canucks. Yep. Calgary Flames. Yep. Arizona Coyotes. Correct. Oh, come on. Toronto Maple Leafs. Yep, I was right. Oh, I hate the Leafs. Detroit Red Wings. Yep. Ugh. Vegas Golden Knights. They ripped off the Avalanche. First they ripped off the Sharks, now the Avalanche. Yep. I hate the Golden Knights too. Oh, come on! Florida Panthers. There we go. Ooh, I know this one. The Edmonton Oilers. In my opinion, the horn sounded better at Rexall Place than Rogers, in my opinion. Sounds more louder too there. Yep. The New Jersey Devils. Yep. The Boston Bruins. The Pittsburgh Penguins. Yep. The Anaheim Ducks. Oh, I hate the Ducks too. Oh, I hate that sound so much. No offense, Ducks fans. So deep to the ears, in my opinion. Montreal Canadiens. Montreal Canadiens. I don't know. I forgot. I don't know how you say that in French. I'm sorry about that. Yep. CBJ, Columbus Blue Jackets. Yep. See if you can see the reflection off my glasses. I'm just seeing that. Ugh. I think I know this one. The Nashville Predators. Oh, I hate them too. Mostly because they're in the Jets division. No offense, Predators fans. Yep. Ooh, I know this one. My favorite team, the Winnipeg Jets. Hold on. This team right here, everybody. I know this one. The San Jose Sharks. Yep. Oh, come on, come on. St. Louis Blues. Yep. The Los Angeles Kings. Yep. The Dallas Stars. Man, I love that horn. So enthusiastic, that Dallas Stars goal horn. Yep. Buffalo Sabres. And that's it, everybody. The video is NHL Goalhorn Challenge by Goalhorn Bender. Check out that video if you want to challenge it yourself. I know some people are probably going to say, oh, you probably watched the video before you started this video. No, I didn't. Well, I saw the video. I saw like a little clip of it, and I just, okay, I'm lying, I will admit, just for that part. I only watched like a couple seconds of it. Then I realized, oh, I want to do this challenge myself so I can test myself. Yep. That one I will admit, but yeah, it's a Goalhorn challenge. If you want to challenge it yourself, go on Goalhorn Bender's video. It's called the NHL Goalhorn Challenge. So check it out if you want. Have a good day, everybody.